everyone, this video is going to show you how to find large print items in our collection. First, go to www.kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. This is the home page. On the right hand side, there is a yellow tab that says Catalogue. Select this. There is a search bar at the top of the page. The easiest way to find large print books is to simply type in large print to the search bar. Then click Search. I'm going to select More next to the Books and DVDs tab because I don't want an ebook. I would like a physical book that I can check out from the library. You can browse through the results to see if you would like to place a hold on any of this material. If you would like to narrow down your search, you can do so by using the tools on the left-hand side here. For example, if you would like a historical fiction book, you can select Historical Fiction under Subject, and then click Include. This will narrow down your search. Once you find a book that you would like to place a hold on, click Place Hold. You will be asked to enter in your library card number and PIN. If you do not know what your PIN number is, try the last 4 digits of your library card or the last 4 digits of your phone number. If neither of these work, please contact the library. Once you've entered in this information, click Log In. You will be asked to select which branch you would like to pick up the material at. In this case, I'm going to select the Fenland Falls branch. Then I'm going to click Place Hold. Under Action, it will tell you that a hold has been placed and that you'll be notified when your item is available for pickup. Click OK. You have now placed a hold on one item. You can continue to search the collection for other items if you would wish to place more than one hold. We ask that you please wait for a call or email to say that your items are ready for pickup before coming to the library to pick up your items. Thank you and happy searching.